Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Privacy. This central hub saves time. Tap Permissions, then App Permissions to see which apps access location, camera, and microphone. Revoke any access you don't recognize. This cuts real-time tracking. Once done, go to Google Ads and toggle Opt out of ads personalization so apps stop building profiles. Make sure to back up settings or note changes. That lets you revert if an essential app breaks. Next, inspect each app individually. You tap an app, choose permissions, and change location to deny or only while using. This prevents passive GPS pings. Then, go to mobile data and Wi-Fi and block background data for apps that don't need it. That stops silent uploads. Also, disable notification previews so sensitive info isn't leaked. These steps reduce telemetry and battery drain. If an app misbehaves, re-enable one permission at a time. Finish by controlling network-level leaks. You enable a reputable VPN or set private DNS to encrypt DNS lookups. This hides the domains your apps contact. Open Play Store settings and turn off personalization to reduce ad profiling, then uninstall apps you don't use. Fewer apps means less tracking. Clear app caches and repeat permission audits monthly. If an app still tracks, force stop it, uninstall, and reinstall. That often clears misbehaving background processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.